This is your host, Jonathan at Rockrose Films. Today, what we're going to talk about is how to install clear armor on the front windshield of your vehicle. Before we get into footage on how to install the clear armor on the front of your windshield of your vehicle, what we need to do is talk about how to create a slip solution. Here at Rockrose, what we recommend is to use 6 ounces of soap for every gallon of distilled water. What we recommend is Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. The reason why we love this is just because it's mild, it's gentle, it slips really well, and it's just kind of an industry standard. And also we talked about distilled water, which we have here, 1 gallon. Why we recommend distilled water is just so it's not clogging any lines, it's not leaving any residue over time. And so what we're gonna do is go ahead and take this baby shampoo here. What we have here is we're pouring 6 ounces into our measuring cup. What we're going to do is pour this into our 1 gallon of water. Poured our 6 ounces of soap into the water. And then next step is give it a good shake, shake, shake. Once we are done creating the slip solution, we're gonna take this gallon and pour it into our 5-gallon pressurized sprayer. And so we're gonna do that 2 more times. So that's gonna be a total of 3 gallons of our slip solution. So each gallon's gonna have 6 ounces of the Johnson & Johnson baby soap, and then it's gonna be the 1 gallon of water, so we're gonna have 3 gallons total. That's gonna be on our pressurized sprayer. And then at the top, there's gonna be the 2 gallons of air. So you'll pressurize that with an air compressor, and that should last you all day. So now let's go check out the clear armor installation footage. Let's check it out.